Hi, this is Zoe. Today I'm going to show you our nonwoven bag making machine XB700. This machine can make several different types of nonwoven bags. So let's get started. This machine is our latest design. Let's get started with material feeding part. Roll feeding is equipped with automatic loading function. Here is the automatic correcting deviation system. This equipment is used for correct the fabric it's in the right path or not. Next, we go to bag mouth folding. The width of bag mouth is 30 mm and we can do 50 mm too. It depends on your demand. This part is rope feeding, which is for shoes bag making. Bag mouth sealing part. This ultrasonic is used for bag mouth sealing. Each side have one ultrasonic. Then we go to bag folding part to fold the fabric in half here. After that, we go to multifunctional part. For box bag, handle bag, D-card bag making, this part is for bag bottom making. For t-shirt bag making, there is a little difference, which I will show you later. This yellow plate is for bag bottom making and gasket making. This is photoelectric traction, which is used to verify the precision of printed fabric. Unlike creasing, it's used for making box bag. Then the fabric is transferred to handle sealing part. Unlike handle sealing part have 6 ultrasonics. This part is used for making handle bag and box bag. To use narrow nonwoven fabric roller to make handle and then attach the fabric on the bag. The fabric with handle attached is transported to bag bottom folding part. This ultrasonic is for bag bottom foaming. It would work when you want to make box bag. This we call backside sealing knife. At this part, XB700 have 2 ultrasonic, and the length of ultrasonic knife is 300 mm. Corner cut punching, which is for box bag. Cut a triangular cut on both sides. The other equipment is D-card punching, which is used for produce D-card bag. The last part is our cutting and collecting part. To use cutting knife to cut the bag one by one and then collect. This machine XB700 takes nonwoven fabric as material. It can also make different kinds of nonwoven bags, such as nonwoven D-card bag, handle bag, t-shirt bag, shoes bag, and also box bag. This is handle material feeding part. As I mentioned before, this ultrasonic is only used for t-shirt bag making, to make t-shirt bag side sealing, and the gasket of t-shirt bag to use those 2 insert plates to do it. The maximum gasket is 90 mm. This machine adopts touchscreen controller. It can easily adjust the bag size, handle size, and also machine speed. As here we can see, those are our ultrasonic box.